So we have the mood cue here, and what normally happens here is you would put a piece of paper that has different moods under this motor, and it has a motor arm which is on top, which is the arrow that would point towards the mood. So what we have here is connected is we have two 100 microfarad capacitors, and we have a potential meter, which is one capacitor, and the switch itself is connected to A0 on the analog, and for the motor itself, it's connected to another capacitor, which is connected to number 9 Arduino. We have our power source, which is connected to 5 volts and to the ground, and as you turn, the arrow will point towards the mood, and that is it.
Yeah.
That's it. Alright, good. Let's move on.
Okay, so this is a keyboard instrument. So first of all, we are gonna wire up the breadboard with power ground right here, as in the previous projects, and then we just connect the resistors there and there and there. There are like 220 ohms, 10 ohms. 10 kilo ohms and 1 mega ohms resistor, and we just put this button, and you can hear the sounds pretty well. And that's all we done.
Connect the power and ground to both sides of the breadboard. Place the push button on the breadboard and connect one end to the 5 volts. On the other side of the switch, connect to ground through a 10 kilo ohm resistor. Connect this junction to digital pin 2 on the Arduino. Attach the wires from the piezo on the breadboard. Attach one wire to power. If your piezo has a red wire or one marked with a plus sign, that is the one to connect to the power. If your piezo doesn't indicate polarity, then you can hook it up to either way. Wire on the other end of the piezo to along pin 0 analog pin 0 on your Arduino. Place a 1 mega ohm resistor between the ground and the other wire. Lower resistor values will make the piezo less sensitive to vibrations.
Wire up the lead connecting the cathode short leg to the ground and placing a 220 ohm resistor in series with the anode through the resistor. Connect the yellow LED to Arduino digital pin 3, the green LED to digital pin 4, the red LED to digital pin 5. Insert the male headers into the female socket on the servo motor and connect the red wire to power and the black wire to ground. Place the 100 farad electronic capacitor across power and ground to smooth out any irregularity in voltage, making sure you have the capacitor's polarity correct. Connect the servo data wire to pin 9 on your Arduino.